Here's how to check if your TV supports ALLM or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your TV and navigate yourself to the channels and inputs option. Once you're already to the channels and inputs option, you will see there are two options, external and channels and inputs. What you need to do is to click on or go to external inputs. From the external inputs, scroll all the way down until you see there the HDMI signal format and click on that. After clicking on that, you will see there four options of HDMI. Now what you need to do is to press the HDMI that has EARC or ARC. And then from there, you will be able to see the enhanced format VRR. Now what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there on the video output is the ALLM. So if it sets on automatic, it means that your TV supports ALLM.